Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. Akon co-founder explains how $6 billion futuristic Akon City will work, and the city could be proving ground African economies need. The businessman behind Akon City, the 2,000-acre crypto project in Senegal powered by Akon tokens, has explained how the futuristic $6 billion city will work. Co-founded with singer Akon, the white paper for the Akon cryptocurrency published in March says it is a utility token aimed at the African market that powers atomic swaps between cryptocurrencies, fiat currencies, and mobile phone credits, a popular store of value in many countries, and the platform will be launched on top of the stellar XLM network. We think it helps make it seamless for them to be able to track and toll and do all of those kinds of things, as stated by Ross. And the city's autonomous transportation system would take its cues from the setup in Crypto Valley in Switzerland. But the futuristic city is not just a pipe dream either, with the project signing a $6 billion USD construction contract with U.S. engineering firm KE International, raising $4 billion USD to fund the first two phases. Phase 1 begins early next year and will be completed by 2023, with the entire project completed within 10 years. And Cointelegraph spoke to Akon co-founder and president John Carras to find out. He said that the city Akon, once it's completed in 2030, will offer practical tools for residents and utilize in everyday life, with the potential to spread adoption across Africa. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group takes 14% stake in SBI R3 Japan. SBI Holdings now has a 51% in the joint venture, and R3 retains a 35% stake. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group, Inc. has purchased a 14% stake in the joint venture between SBI Holdings and blockchain technology provider R3 Holdo LLC, SBI R3 Japan Company Limited. In a statement from SBI Holdings today, the company revealed that the joint venture has signed a share purchase agreement and completed the transfer of 14% of its company shares to Sumitomo Mitsui. And Sumitomo Mitsui is a Japanese multinational banking and financial services institution that is headquartered in Tokyo. Following the transfer, SBI Holdings now has a 51% in the joint venture. R3 retains a 35% stake, and Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group now has 14%. The next article, Capital One files patent for cryptocurrency market AI prediction system. The major U.S. financial services company Capital One has filed a new patent application for a cryptocurrency analysis and trading system, and it will attempt to predict crypto market trends and generate trading decisions using AI. And the United States Patent and Trademark Office, the USPTO, published a patent application on August 13th for a cryptocurrency system filed by financial services company Capital One Services. It is a continuation of Capital One's system patented in June, and Capital One Services is affiliated with Capital One Bank, a subsidiary of Capital One Financial Corp. The corporation had $304.2 billion USD and deposits in $421.3 billion USD in total assets as of June 30th. It is a Fortune 500 company, and Capital One trades on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE, under the symbol COF. The spot markets target Tier 1 exchanges while derivatives gain market share. And the review for July 2020 was recently published and provides insights into the data and trends of exchange volume over the past month. And one of the main points of interest is some sort of turnaround in the spot market, with most of the volume now being traded on top level rather than lower level exchanges. Derivatives continue to gain in importance on the spot markets as they gain market share overall. And as reported by Cointelegraph, the Crypto Compare also publishes an exchange benchmark that rates more than 165 global spot exchanges, and exchanges from AA to B are considered the first tier, while exchanges from C to E are considered the lower tier. And in July, the trading volume on the world-class exchanges rose by more than 42% to USD 334 billion. However, the lower tier exchanges saw a comparable decline of 38% to 224 billion USD, and top-tier exchanges now make up to 60% of the total and effectively reverse the position in June. And the spot volume on first-class exchanges reached a new high of USD 27.1 billion on July 27th. Also, the Bank of England, into the next article, expands digital currency experiments for the extended future. And the governor of the Bank of England, Andrew Bailey, has said that the central bank digital currencies, CBDC, has been on the agenda for the Bank of England for some time and highlighted it. If a CBDC is issued, it will have huge implications to the nature of payments in society. And that is another thing that we had heard a few years ago from Mark Carney, stating that they needed to move into more of a digital asset and move away from the U.S. currency. Next article, the popular U.S. magazine names Ripple among the fastest growing companies in America. Ripple, the blockchain company behind the third largest cryptocurrency, has been named as one of the fastest growing companies in America. Following the list from INC, which featured numerous companies, Ripple was ranked number 123rd. However, it was the largest growing blockchain company in the U.S. And Ripple made Inc.'s list of fastest growing companies in America, published by Mansueto Ventures Inc., as American Business Magazine, popularly known for its annual rankings of the fastest growing private firms in the U.S. In its latest ranking that featured 5,000 companies, the magazine listed Ripple as the 123rd fastest growing companies in America. So this is great news for us XRP holders. And it's also great if you hold the actual stock of Ripple. Between crypto, Libra, stablecoins, and digital dollars, Congress introduced 35 blockchain bills. This is the headline of the next article. During the 116th Congress, a number of events have provided an enormous uptick in the attention paid to the cryptocurrency and blockchain policy area. Starting in the early part of 2019, discussion of Facebook's profits off of personal data in the U.S. Senate Banking Committee on Personal Privacy, it triggered an interest in rumors of a new Facebook cryptocurrency that was to be introduced as Project Libra provided the possibility of a global coin or a world currency. I want to send out a big thanks to @XRP Crypto Wolf for sending in content. Much appreciated. And into the next article, the final article for this video, would be 243 million USD Bitcoin transfer turns heads as one of the wealthiest crypto whales on earth awakens. I would say that's pretty significant, and that is a gigantic whale. 243 million Bitcoin transfer. A huge Bitcoin transaction is causing a stir among crypto traders. A big-time anonymous crypto holder just moved all of the Bitcoin in one of the richest wallets in existence, sending 19,722 Bitcoin worth more than 243 million USD for a fee of $139. Now imagine if you have the patience to wait for your investment, how significant that 19,722 shares would seem for you. We're going to go a little more into this article, as the sending wallet, which first received the Bitcoin back in December of 2018, was ranked the 37th biggest Bitcoin address in the world prior to this transaction. According to the latest blockchain data, the whale moved the Bitcoin to an empty BTC wallet. The receiving wallet then redistributed the Bitcoin to a flurry of different addresses in 195.2 BTC chunks, with the exception of one address which was sent on an even 200 BTC. So far, the cryptocurrency does not appear to be heading to any known crypto exchange addresses where it can be sold on the open market. Since none of the addresses have been identified, it's unknown if the BTC belongs to an early investor or an institution managing large sums of crypto. Data from the crypto analytics from Glassnode shows the number of Bitcoin whales in existence has been on the rise since January, hitting a peak last seen in September of 2017. And that was the last previous bull run. All right, guys, I'm going to leave you with a final thought. If you're working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. So remember, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. Much love to each and every one of you, and I'll catch you in the next one.